What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see right here, we got the beautiful PROTON e.MAS 7 PHEV Premium, and the color of this is emerald green. There is 3 variants for this car. There's a Prime, there is a Premium, and there's a Premium Plus. In this version right here is the Premium variant. So let us take a walk around to show you guys how the car looks like with emerald green. So of course you can see the top hood, super sleek, very nice in green. Once the car hits the light later, it's even more amazing. You got your light bar, which I will turn on shortly later in a while more. This whole thing lights up, guys. Check out how sleek this thing looks. Absolutely amazing. Now, your front badging for the car is right here. Beautiful logo. You got your front camera on this side. You got your number plate that's going on this side. I covered it because it's a customer's car. You got some opening right here for air to flow through for cooling purposes. You got your main lights that are hiding right here. Amazing. You got your satin finish of a chrome-like design going across the whole side right here together with the front. Some opening right here for air to flow through. Beautiful. But before that, let's turn on the lights and show you guys how does the front look like. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go to lights and I'm gonna go to on and slide on in one more. There we go. So correct, amazing lights, how they have lighted up, guys. Check it out. Absolutely amazing. Looks so beautiful. From the far, you can actually see how gorgeous this car looks, man. Now let's move on to the wheels part. So right here, they're using Goodyear tires. Tire size, as you can see, is 235/50 R19. You got your multi-spoke wheel with some silver and the black. Your solid disc brakes on the inside. Your wheel arch is in this matte sort of like texture, right? Rough finish, which is kind of cool. You got your side mirrors here following the green color. You got the black finishing at the bottom here, turn indicators over there as well. You got your chrome finishing that goes across the whole side of the car. Amazing. Not to worry about this part because that one right here is protected. So when we peel it off, it's going to be in black. So very nice as well. Door handles are designed like this. So super easy to grab and hold on to. Check out the rear tires. Goodyear tires once again. Tire size 235/50 R19, same multi-spoke with a silver lining all over the place and solid disc brakes on the back. This is where you get your petrol fuel tank pump. On the other side will be the charging section lah. But before that, let us now open up the doors on this side and check out what's hiding on the inside here. So you got your beautiful Onyx black interior. Fly Me sound, 16 speakers in the car. Love the 15.4-inch screen on that side. Gorgeous looking interior with the center console of the car in this floating like design. Very nice. Plenty of compartment storage at the bottom for you guys to keep some stuff. And yeah, steering wheel looks good. You also get the rear part of the car. Absolutely a lot of space, guys, at the back. Beautiful looking car. Now, if you're going for the Premium Plus variant, you will be getting the glass roof on top. And in this case, right here is a super clean, solid roof at the top. So yeah, beautiful looking design, amazing space. Now the interior is black. I covered it with the thing because we just got to deliver this car shortly and we want to be unboxing this with the customer. But yeah, on this side right here, amazing rear taillight design. I like how the light bar goes like this and cuts like that. As you can see, love this, all these lines right here with the PROTON wording right there. You got the e.MAS 7 PHEV badging right here. Tinted for the car has also been done. So this right here is done by M-Pro. So it's going to be full black at the back and the front is going to be JPG approved tint. Let's open up the rear boot and check out the interior. So number plate goes right here. This car comes with a Trapo carpet. We got the original carpet also as well for the car. The dash cam 70mm. There's one for the rear 70mm camera up here, A200. And then there's one right there at the front, right below the mirror, right there, as you can see on that side. But yeah, it's fine. So if you're looking at keys, your car comes with 2 keys and your warning triangle, time compressor, the gel. Underneath here, you got extra storage to keep some stuff. Unfortunately, I think it's on top, so I'm not going to be opening up much. But yeah, cool. Let's close the boot right down. Check out the rear once again. Love how the back of this car looks like. Absolutely nice. You get what I mean? It doesn't continue like the e.MAS 7. So as I mentioned earlier, this one right here is where you get the car charged. So AC DC. So fantastic. So let's close this back down. Yep, cool. So that's the rear part of the car. For the front driver's side, amazing storage space that you guys are getting. Check out the steering column for the customer or for you when you're driving this car, you have your compartment storage down there as well. Plenty of storage to keep a lot of stuff. Charging socket also is available. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, very, very cool car to be at. Now let's head down to the front of the car to end the video. Let's show you guys how presentable this car looks from the front once again. If you're taking a look from far away, if you really want to admire how gorgeous this car looks from the front, guys, check it out. Absolutely fantastic. Love the green. Everybody loves the green. So yeah, looking forward to see you here. This is Puncak Jalil, one of our showrooms here. I'm based in Pavilion. You can come over here. You can meet up with Jega. Jega will be more than happy to assist you. I'll leave his contact number below also as well. And you can look for me in Pavilion if I'm there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.